Please state your name, year and course, the position you are running for, and under what slate you are running under.
Ayan, sige. Magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. Ako si Arya Pudadera mula sa Buklod, CSSP, second year, BA Psychology. I'm running for Psychology Department Representative.
Ayan. What specific measures are you planning to make the students of your department more engaged?
Para mas maging engage yung department namin, naisip namin yung nahihirapan ka na ba? So, isa itong program kung saan engage namin, no, itatap namin yung iba't ibang organizations ng psych department, no, para mag-offer ng tutorial sa ating mga fellow psych majors na nahihirapan sa kanilang subjects. Like for example, Math 17 para sa mga BS Psych at para naman sa mga BA Psych, Math 11, 14, and for other Psych Bio or Chem.
Can you give us your reaction on Pinoy buying a Porsche?
Well, Pinoy buying a Porsche the Porsche itself is cool, but the act and Pinoy buying that is not so cool. First is because hindi naman lahat ng tao, well, as of now, is natutuwa talaga sa performance ni Pinoy as president, no? Tapos dadagdagan pa niya ng ganitong pagbili niya. So, hindi ba niya naisip na kung anong image na lang yung i-reflect niya sa atin, sa mga mamamayan?
Kung ikaw ay magiging isang ulam, ano yon at bakit?
Kung isa akong ulam, isa siguro ako sinigang. Sinigang kasi ang sinigang ay maasim pero masarap. Marami sa mga taong kumakain ito ay nasasarapan. At siguro ako bilang tao, no, hindi lang ako siguro sweet or at times is maalat. Pero I think I can be both of those characteristics, and I think I am very approachable and friendly to my constituents.
Okay, is there anything else you want to say?